Phase 1 of the medieval building template system is finally here. This is a set of printable templates designed to let you build proper medieval style terrain without all the measuring and faff. You print the templates, you stick them onto the foam, you cut them out, you score the details, and you're halfway towards getting a fantastic looking building. Every line you need is already there. Not just the shape of it, but all the brick courses, the stonework, the arch curves, the window outlines, and the decorative details. So instead of spending ages measuring and marking everything by hand, you just score along the printed lines and get the perfect results with almost no fuss. That's the whole point of the system. You skip the tedious setup and go straight to the fun bit. The chapel is the building that I chose to demonstrate the system. This is so much easier than it looks, and if you can make this, you can make any of them. The method is exactly the same. Print, stick, score, cut, assemble, decorate, done. And all the detail on this chapel, the stone blocks, the archways, the frames, none of that needed measuring. It's all straight off the template. And honestly, I'm so pleased with how it came out. You can decide yourself whether you want to add the stained glass windows or not. Phase 1 includes 5 complete building kits. The Cottage, which is a great starter build. The Chapel, which you've just seen. The Tavern, which is your classic medieval centerpiece. The Stable, which can be built with or without the little side house. And the Farm Building. It's the most complex of the set, with the optional enclosing walls. Each one comes as a clean, print-ready PDF. You can build them exactly as designed, or maybe you could try even kit bashing them if you want to experiment. The workflow is simple. You print the pages out, you stick them to your phone, you score the lines, you cut the bits out you need to cut out. You can then paint it, you can weather it, and then you can assemble it. It's intentionally that straightforward because the whole point is to let you build something great without getting bogged down in the planning. So who is this for? Well, if you enjoy crafting but hate measuring, this is definitely for you. If you're new to terrain and want to build something that looks really good as one of your first builds, this is also for you. And perhaps if you've been building for years and you just want something that's fast and repeatable, like different structures that can just go straight to your table without too much fuss, this is still for you. Basically, if you want to create a medieval village without losing your mind, you're in the right place. Each individual building is $4, and you can get all 5 for $16. I would have priced it in pounds, but I'm on Patreon, so blame them. Oh, and if you're a Master Builder member of my Patreon, you get the entire of Phase 1 included automatically, as well as everything else that I've ever made. Phase 1 is available right now, so whether you want to build a single chapel, start with the cottage, or jump straight into the tavern, everything is ready to download. Head over to patreon.com/goodenoughscenery, pick the building you fancy, maybe the whole set, and get started. Go on, build something cool. Your table deserves it.